Careful with the slings, we need those intact. Yeah, these chains are heavy. Where do you want them, boss? Set them by the stabilizer bar.
The corrosion here is extensive, especially near the intake. Yes, the structural integrity is severely compromised. I've logged the coordinates and photographic evidence.
Bring it down 20 feet. Watch the tail rotor, easy now. Tension on line 3. Slings are secured. Ready for lift, confirm.
Easy now, watch the starboard side. A little to the left, you're clear. All right, set it down gently.
All right, keep it coming straight back. Watch your clearance on the left side. That's good, right there. Okay, I think it's loose now. Are you ready to lift?
Yep, slowly now. Watch the edge.
All right, lift on 3, watch the alignment.
Got it. Should we tag this for the heavy inspection rack? Okay, easy now, bring it down slowly. Yep. Copy that, steady descent. Watch the clearance on the starboard side. Take the tension on the crane. Okay, lifting now. Clear on the starboard side. Confirmed clear, keep it steady. Is that the C14 connector?
Affirmative. Cutting the strap now. Look at the play in this bearing.
Yeah, definitely replacing this one. All right, bring it out slowly. Coming down slowly.
Steady, steady. Ensure the aft attachment clears the housing. The caliper reading here is showing 20 thousandths over tolerance.
Noted. The corrosion looks worse near the longeron.
Torque set to 4 to 5 foot-pounds.
Confirmed. Moving to the next bolt.
Hold it right there, a fraction to the left. Splines are engaged, looks good. Good. Set it down gently. Get the torque wrench ready. Careful on the alignment, watch the spline. Got it. Hand me the torque wrench, please. Okay, easy now. Bring it down another few inches. Watch the alignment pin. Clear on this side. A little more to the left, steady now.
Got the alignment pin started. Hand me the torque wrench.
Initiating partial power check now.
Copy that. Rotors engaging smoothly, all green on the diagnostics.
Okay, continuity check on channel 3.
Reading nominal. Logging the result now.
Aligning with the forward mount now.
Clear. Check the rear latch.
Check the transponder output on channel 3. Reading nominal. All systems go on this side.
This line has to be exact for delivery. I'm taking my time with the curve.
We finally did it! Incredible work, team. You should all be very proud.